Mm.
It's harder
Than it is.
it looks easy, but it's actually impossible.
Huh.
It's impossible to
You're turning for the camera,
But
man.
anything's possible.
You have to turn on for your camera, Marie. Jake, want leave her now?
You can talk like English.
Like English? Sometimes I can't understand what they're saying, no, Junior.
Talk too fast.
Me have to ask the other one. What Jake want just say, Jonathan? What Jake want just say? Or Jonathan, what Jonathan, Jake want what Jonathan say?
Or was the other one?
The other one, what? 12.
Okay. So just this two of you.
Oh, Marie?
Yeah.
No, man, what 4 we have, you know?
Okay. So for the other one, the big boy.
The big boy? The big boy, for one woman at town named Bev.
Okay.
You remember me crash a she out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
That time him just born.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yes, still, you know. You come here, swimming girls, man.
You know, see, you're halfway up there already. Go on, Marie. What you mean? So, Junior, not go on over there some more than the
No,
ordinary.
man, from COVID, it closed down and, they put anything in place again, you know. You see Billy again.
You know what happened? I win. Look before me come now. Me no see him, but me I'm talk on the phone very regular.
Yeah.
And him tell me say Miss Grace is sick out bad, you know.
Yeah, man.
Mm.
And, like him tell me say, when sick with COVID and I didn't told them if let's fill up on him and all the way there.
Yeah, man. And Mark get sick out now too, you know.
Yeah, so he tell me, say, things could make it sick out too.
Yeah, man.
I Billy just get, why you can get 2 strokes and,
Yo, Billy lucky, you know,
Lucky
Junior.
man. But when you tell me, no, I not come back, But I Billy could talk,
Junior, me say, when the man get the last stroke, say, you know. And me and Mary go check him, you know.
Say, darling.
Me and Mary go check him up at hospital when he rehab, bro. In rehab. Me and Mary go check him in rehab. Yeah, man, and I say, Billy, what happened? And he say, boy, I die, you know. Can't get up or nothing, you know. He say, boy, yo, boy, I saw you go, Billy, I saw you go. Can't believe Junior say, oh, boy, Billy gets strokes once. And he say, a film fault, make him get the second one, you know. Yeah, man, he say, a film fault, man, because what happened is that in feel away and saying to go a doctor, you know.
Yeah.
And before he could have reached doctor the next day to blouse and skirt. Strokes lick him down an ambulance.
I take him up.
I have to pick him up, man.
Yeah, and I tell me say how the wife when he make the first stroke, she come like he want if he dead and all they really.
Yes, man.
Oh Jesus.
And me say, then Billy, you come to Jamaica for this woman? Yeah? Billy say, yes, man, and him come to Jamaica for this woman. Yeah?
I've said and come and Jamaica for the woman for Westmoreland, man.
I say, boy, oh boy.
Hey, come.
Jake, don't go over there.
Yeah, man, come and Jamaica for but sometimes you never know.
You never know.
Never know, man.
Never know a blouse and skirt, brother. Never know what go happen, sir.
You mean, actually, if you call him now, you have time, brother. You not have chat,
Oh, Billy.
You not have chat, man.
Because he not get nobody to talk
That's
with.
it. Next time, darling.
He not get nobody to talk with, man.
Yeah, man.
So every now and then, me always give him a call still.
Yeah.
You know, so just to, so if you have somebody to talk with and them little thing there.
You know, we talk long, you know, I don't man. I say, I go now, you know.
And me hear them boy they say I'm a Miss Grace live, but me don't know if I true.
No, man.
He live by one. We can't talk to me, talk to me
man.
still.
Grace, they our woman.
Yeah. Miss Grace, they want home. Watch you stick them in a Mary. Push down the pole in a earth now. Or you have to go in a banking, you think?
Yeah. But you're not cool, Mary.
You watch how you do, man.
Grace, they want one for when she was sick out, me say, I want to call me say, them say, in just go down like in me for sure everything we gone up and drop on, you know? And the doctor come in and say they have to take out the somewhere else.
Okay. Boy, Billy.
Nobody talk or nothing.
Billy a tell me about him situation, boy.
You rough, man, you rough.
Wicked funny man. He say, you can have our next youth with our next girl, you know.
Mm.
I'm black youth because Sharon is a film pitney.
Yeah.
But I feel him pitney man because he look like Billy, but just through in black, in really black, you know.
Well, I since what can I have that one?
No man, a Jamaica ain't sent for
man,
that one.
A Clarendon.
Clarendon, yes
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Yeah man.
Right, into motive.
Yeah man. He say boy I no pay him no mind, brother.
Oh, Jesus.
But Billy when they work with Sharon, he kinda lock out the boy there too, because through Sharon I know say that pitney there no for Billy. Or that's what she they say.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
pitney no for Billy. So when kinda get Billy, you know,
Yeah.
not to deal with that pitney them more than the ordinary.
Ah,
So at that, you know, screw up a boy mind.
yeah.
Because one time remember when Billy upon him foot in a brother, everybody talk
side
about it.
Aaron.
The other side Marie, everybody talk about it. Say well boy Billy and you know, not deal with them I go a party with them man they not deal with the youth. Yeah man, me go a party with they not deal with the youth and the youth, you know, a big enough boy should I, you know.
Yeah.
But then dash him out quick too. Then dash him out of yard, out of house quick.
Oh, Jesus.
How long until we get back to the shore?
Probably another half hour to go.
Bluetooth.
Yeah, depending on how fast we go, and we just cruise, you know, we're on cruise control.
Yeah.